Welcome to Craft Your Way to Success, Profitable Wooden Creations. In this guide, we embark on an exciting journey into the world of woodworking, where creativity meets entrepreneurship. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or just starting out, you'll find valuable insights and practical tips to help you turn your passion for crafting wooden items into a thriving business. From identifying your niche to marketing your creations, this guide is designed to empower you with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the competitive woodworking market. Woodworking is more than just a hobby. It's an art form that allows you to express your creativity while creating functional and beautiful pieces. With the rising demand for handmade products and eco-friendly materials, wooden creations are gaining popularity among consumers seeking unique and sustainable options. This guide will provide you with the tools and strategies needed to navigate the world of woodworking, helping you craft stunning pieces that not only inspire, but also generate profit. Join us as we explore the essential steps to building a successful woodworking business. If you've enjoyed watching this video and found the content helpful, we would love your support. By subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with fellow woodworking enthusiasts, you help us reach more viewers and continue creating valuable content. Your engagement means the world to us and motivates us to bring you even more exciting projects and tips. Thank you for being part of our community. Wooden creations. Woodworking is an art that combines creativity, craftsmanship, and entrepreneurship. With the increasing demand for handmade and unique products, wooden creations present a lucrative opportunity for artisans. From crafting decorative items to functional furniture, the versatility of wood allows for endless possibilities. This guide aims to provide insights into how you can turn your passion for woodworking into a profitable business venture. Identifying your niche. Finding your niche is the first step toward success in the woodworking market. Consider what types of wooden items excite you and where your skills lie. Popular niches include furniture, home decor, toys, and kitchenware. Research the market to identify gaps or trends within these categories. Engaging with potential customers to understand their preferences can help you focus your efforts and better market your creations. Essential tools and materials. Investing in the right tools is crucial for creating high-quality wooden projects. Start with the basics, including hand tools such as saws, chisels, hammers, and screwdrivers. Power tools like drills, sanders, and routers will also enhance your efficiency and precision. In addition to tools, select quality materials. Different woods have unique characteristics. For example, oak is durable and attractive, while pine is more affordable and easy to work with. Having the right tools and materials will enhance the quality of your craftsmanship and the final product. Designing your projects. Design is a critical aspect of woodworking that can differentiate your products in a competitive market. Start by sketching your ideas, considering both aesthetics and functionality. Pay attention to proportions, shapes, and details. Utilize design software or apps to create digital representations of your projects, allowing you to visualize and modify designs easily. Research current design trends and seek inspiration from other artisans, ensuring that your creations reflect your unique style. Thoughtful, original designs can attract customers and justify premium pricing. Crafting techniques for quality. Quality craftsmanship is essential for ensuring customer satisfaction and repeat business. Focus on mastering various woodworking techniques, such as joinery, finishing, and sanding. Learn different methods of joinery, like dovetail, mortise and tenon, and pocket holes, to create strong and durable joints. Understanding how to sand, stain, and finish wood will enhance its natural beauty and protect it from wear. Continuously practice and refine your skills. Consider taking workshops or online courses that focus on specific techniques. The more proficient you become, the higher the quality of your products, leading to increased customer satisfaction. Creating a portfolio. A well-curated portfolio is essential for showcasing your work and attracting potential customers. Document your projects with high-quality photographs that highlight the details and craftsmanship. Include various angles and close-ups to give viewers a comprehensive view of your creations. Accompany each photograph with a detailed description, including dimensions, materials used, and the inspiration behind the piece. Your portfolio serves as a visual resume that can be shared on your website, social media, and at craft fairs, helping you establish credibility and attract buyers. Pricing your creations. Setting the right price for your wooden creations is vital for profitability. Consider the factors when determining pricing, such as material costs, labor, and overhead. Calculate the cost of wood, finishes, and other materials, and factor in the time spent designing, crafting, and finishing each piece. Marketing your wooden creations. Effective marketing strategies are essential for reaching potential customers. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook to showcase your work. Share behind-the-scenes content, process videos, and customer testimonials. Create a professional website that includes your portfolio, an online store, and a blog to share your expertise and engage with your audience. Participate in local craft fairs to showcase your products, connect with customers, and gain exposure. Engage with your audience through interactive content, building a strong online presence that can significantly increase your visibility. Building an online presence. Having a robust online presence is crucial for any business today. Start by creating a user-friendly website that highlights your portfolio, showcases your brand story, and provides easy navigation for purchasing. Consider selling your products on platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or Shopify to reach a larger audience. Implement search engine optimization, SEO, techniques to enhance your website's visibility on search engines, driving organic traffic to your site. A well-optimized online presence can attract customers from around the world, expanding your market reach. Customer engagement and feedback. Building strong relationships with your customers is vital for long-term success. Encourage feedback by reaching out to customers after their purchase to thank them and request reviews. Use surveys to gather insights on customer preferences and satisfaction levels. Engage with your audience on social media by responding to comments and messages promptly, showing that you value their opinions. Positive feedback can enhance your credibility and attract new customers, and using testimonials in your marketing materials can showcase customer satisfaction. Expanding your product line. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line to include complementary items. For example, if you specialize in wooden furniture, think about creating accessories like coasters, shelves, or decorative accents. Diversifying your offerings can help you reach a broader audience and increase sales. Pay attention to customer feedback and requests to guide your expansion efforts, ensuring that you continue to meet market demands while maintaining the quality of your products. Collaborating with other artisans. Collaboration can provide new opportunities for your woodworking business. Partnering with other artisans or local businesses can result in unique products or bundles that appeal to a wider audience. Consider hosting joint workshops to share skills and attract participants from both audiences, or create limited edition items that feature designs from both artisans. Collaborations can enhance your visibility, share resources, and foster a sense of community among local artisans. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found it inspiring and informative. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving us a thumbs up. Your support helps us continue to create more valuable videos for you and the woodworking community. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to sharing more exciting projects with you in the future.